We 3D printed a working padlock and put it through a brutal durability test. It's made from just a few simple parts, and the 4-digit code is fully customizable. You set the code by aligning the inner wheels inside the outer ones so the notch points to your chosen number. Then slide in the locking pin, scramble the digits, and it's locked. And now, we're locking up something completely unnecessary with it. Now it's time for the durability test, but just don't expect too much from a plastic padlock.